Good evening. Today we will discuss about the exercise question answer of the lesson MS Excel page number 63. The first question A1 very short answer type question 1. Write the commands of the following operation. To cut, the answer is Ctrl X. To copy, Ctrl plus C. To paste, Ctrl plus V. The next question B. Short answer type question. Number 1. How can you bold the font style? Answer. To make the bold of the font style, click on B button in Font Groups on Home tab. I repeat again. To make the bold of the font style, click on B button in Font Groups on Home tab. Next, number 2. How can you underline the font style? To underline the font styles, click on U button in Font Groups on Home tab. Click on U button in Font Group on Home tab. Next, how can you italic the font style? To make the italics of the font style, click on I button in Font Groups on Home tab. Next, number C. Long answer type question. 1. What is the procedure to add columns in a worksheet? The answer is you can also add a single column or a multiple column. To add the single columns, select the column or a cell in the column to the right of where you want to insert the new column. Other hand, if you insert the multiple columns, select the columns to the right of where you want to insert columns. Select the same number of columns you want to insert. Next, write the method to delete cells, columns and rows. The answer is given page number 62. To delete cell, columns and rows, first select one of the three options. After that, click on Delete in Cell Groups on Home tab. The Delete dialog box will appear. If you delete the cell, then click on the arrow below the delete, then click on the delete cells. Again, if you delete the columns, then click on the arrow below delete and then click on the data sheet columns. Or you can right click a selection of the cell and then click on delete. Again, to delete selected rows, click on the arrow below the delete and then click on delete sheet rows. Using these methods, you can delete cell, columns and rows in a worksheet. Next page, 64 page number. D. Multiple choice question. 1. A set of worksheet is called workbook, workpage. The answer is workbook. Next, Rows are identified by letters, numbers. The answer is numbers. Columns are identified by, option is numbers, letters. The answer is letters. Next, match the following. Means copy, paste, cut and save. In the right side is given the icons only. Number 1, copy. Copy will match with option C. Next, paste. Paste will be matched option D. Cut. Cut will match option A. Save. Save will match with option B. Now, mind processor. Students, first draw these MS Excel windows in your practical notebook first. After that, you identify these cells B8, G7, E4, I2. Now, we are going to discuss some recommended questions of this chapter. First question, what is MS Excel? The answer is MS Excel is an spreadsheet software that helps in calculation using formulas and analysis of data using tables. It is a part of MS Office package. It includes all the features of spreadsheet package like automatic calculations, functions and graphs. I repeat again, MS Excel is an spreadsheet software that helps in calculation using formulas and analysis of data using tables. It is a part of MS Office package. It includes all the features of spreadsheets package like automatic calculations, functions and graphs. Now, what is cell? Cell is the smallest unit of a worksheet formed by the intersection of a row and a column. Numbers, text, formulas, etc. can be entered in a cell. Next, cell pointer. Cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary that specifies which cell is active at that moment. Next, what is workbook? A basic file in a spreadsheet is called workbook. Next, worksheet. A grid of cells made up of rows and columns are called worksheet. What are rows and columns? Each worksheet in MS Excel is made up of rows and columns. The rows are identified by numbers labeled down the left side of the worksheet in the heading area, and the columns are identified by letters labeled across the top of the worksheet in the heading area. The columns are labeled A, B, Z, AA, AB, AZ like that. How many rows and columns in a worksheet? According to the latest versions of MS Excel 2007, there are 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns in a worksheet. I repeat again, there are 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns in a worksheet. How is referred the cell address? The address of each cell is combinations of rows and columns level. For example, B8 refer to the 8th cell down the second column from the left of the worksheet. And students, we have to write some steps yourself. See from books. First, how to save a worksheet in MS Excel, how to opening a sheet, how to copy and paste, and how to cut and paste, and how to change the size, color, etc.